Now let us go for the next point. The next point is, if the Brayton cycle operates between the minimum and maximum temperatures of T1 and T3 respectively, then the maximum work done will be so here what we need to consider is the work done formula is MCP T3 minus T2 minus T4 plus T1. So we need to get this equation in terms of T3 and T1. So we need to write T3 minus T1 into Rp to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus T4 can be written as T3 by Rp to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma plus T1. Now here, in order to get maximum work done, we need to substitute the optimum pressure ratio in place of Rp, so that it becomes T3 minus T1 into Rp value. We need to take Rp optimum, so that we can write this as T3 by T1 whole to the power gamma by 2 into gamma minus 1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus T3 divided by T3 by T1 whole to the power gamma by 2 into gamma minus 1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma plus T1. So these will get cancelled. We can write this same expression like this: W max is equal to MCP into T3 minus T1 into, here T3 by T1 whole power 1 by 2 will be remaining. So we can write this T3 by T1 whole power 1 by 2 as T3 power 1 by 2 into T1 power minus 1 by 2. So I am writing it like this: T3 power 1 by 2 into T1 power minus 1 by 2 minus, here T3 by T1 whole power 1 by 2 will be there. So we can write this as T3 into T3 power minus 1 by 2 T1 power 1 by 2 plus T1. Now from this we can write this as MCP T3 minus T1 power 1 minus 1 by 2 into T3 power 1 by 2 minus T1 power 1 by 2 T3 power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus T1. So finally we can write this as MCP into T3 minus T1 power 1 by 2 T3 power 1 by 2 minus T1 power 1 by 2 T3 power 1 by 2 plus T1. Now this can be written as MCP into under root T3 whole square minus 2 root T1 root T3. You can write T1 power 1 by 2 as root T1, T3 power 1 by 2 as root T3. So 2 times it is there. So we are writing 2 root T1 root T3 plus root T1 whole square. So this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the maximum work done will be MCP into under root T3 minus under root T1 whole square. So this is the formula for maximum work done.